Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. So first thing that you should do is we have to open our Tonkeeper app. Okay, so let me just open my Tonkeeper application. Okay, so if you don't have the application yet, of course, you have to download it on your Play Store or App Store. Then right here, all you have to do is to simply click on the receive button. And then here, just have to copy the address of your Tonkeeper to receive a ton coin. Okay. Next is we have to go and open our Binance application. Now right here, you just have to click on the wallet option, this one at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you just have to click on the spot. Okay, so click on the wallet, this one at the bottom right of your screen, and then click on the spot. Now that you're here, all you have to do is to simply click on withdraw. Okay, so when you click on withdraw, just have to search for USDT, and then here just have to click on send via crypto network. Okay, and then right here just have to paste the address that we have copied from Tonkeeper. And then next is we just have to select the network, of course, which is the Ton coin. Next is the memo. So you just have to go back to your Tonkeeper app and then copy the memo and then paste it here. And after that, you just have to click on withdraw and then proceed to the next step. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.